Now, if you want your braided crochet to stay flat, neat, and natural, this trick I'm about to show you would up your game entirely. Hey there, welcome to the Cornrow Confidence Challenge. So today is day 16, and I'm going to be showing you a trick to fix braided crochet on cornrows. So I'm using Shine and Jam, always number 8. Shine and Jam, do not leave any cast on your hair. So we're going to section the hair as you've seen, then we start the cornrow. So let's bring it closer. So the first thing you want to do is to usually divide the section you need into 3. So we're going to section that part we need. Now you're going to divide it into 3, just the way I've done now. Then you take that middle part and add the crochet, the braided crochet like this. So you open up your crochet pin, put it on the loop, and you cover it like this. Sorry, this part was not showing. So when you fist it in the crochet hook, now you're going to open it again and take your hair, the middle part, remember. Now you're going to pull the crochet down to the base. Now here it is. So when that is done, you're going to start your cornrow like this, but you hold that braided crochet down with your middle finger and start doing your regular cornrow. So you do your cornrow to twice before you add hair gradually. So we're going to do the cornrow the way we usually do it. You braid little by little and leave little gaps as well. So you do your cornrow like this. Now, when you master this trick, even when you are using cornrow for your crochets, you're going to notice a significant difference in the appearance of the crochet. It's going to look very natural, as you will see by the time we are done with this tutorial. So I'm just making the cornrow up to the back. A very important point I want to mention is that when making your cornrow, always look at the size of your crochet. If you are using smaller crochet, you should make smaller cornrow. If your cornrow is big, you can afford to play with size. You can make bigger cornrow. So that's why some braided cornrow, some crochet do not usually fit properly. So let's see what it looks like after install. So let's see and bring it closer. So can you see how flat it is? It's looking flat. You cannot even differentiate. Now let's add extension, the other crochet, to see what it actually look like. So I'm going to install the two, the both of them, to see exactly what it looks like. So let's fix this first one here. And we're going to fix the other one as well. Put it through the cornrow, put your crochet, the braided crochet, and cover it. Sling it through the cornrow. Your cornrow should not be very tight so that your hair is not very tight at the end of the day. So you, like, I usually use this method, it's faster. Then loop it. Now see the result, looking flat and natural. I know you try this. This is day 16. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not joined this challenge, if you've not watched others, please do wait to watch it. This is the close look, and tell me what you think about this. Will you be trying this trick? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and this is Astera Beauty. Bye.